Hey guys, it's Gene from Sterngold. Today we're going to introduce you to the MOR Mini Implant System's new Latch Driver-Captive insertion tool. Let's get to it. Making surgery easier and more efficient is always a good thing. As the leader in mini dental implants, we at Sterngold are very sensitive to the needs of our customers and are always looking for ways to enhance the features of the MOR Mini Implant System. We are pleased to announce the addition of the MOR Latch Driver-Captive to the MOR Mini Implant product line and workflow. As an option to use in coordination with the MOR Insertion Tool, the Wean Driver, and the MOR Implant Driver Latch, the new MOR Latch Driver-Captive allows you to carry the implant from the packaging directly to the implant site and begin the insertion procedure. The MOR Latch Driver-Captive is similar in design to the MOR Implant Driver Latch, with one exception. It has a retentive element which engages the ball head of the implant and allows transport from the packaging to the implant site in the same way the MOR Insertion Tool functions. This nylon O-ring is replaceable and is available through Sterngold. You see here both instruments are available in the MOR Implant Surgical Kit. After you have prepared for the procedure, insert and lock the MOR Latch Driver-Captive into your surgical motor. Capture the implant inside the Latch Driver-Captive, and then remove it from the titanium delivery tube. Now carry the implant to the implant site. Position it, and begin the implant insertion process. Thanks for joining us today. This ongoing learning series is to help make dentistry more affordable, easier, and better for you. Visit sterngold.com for more information. See you next time.